On the 1st and 2nd of December this year, the UK Drone Show will be held at the NEC in Birmingham, and we're giving away some free tickets. If you want to win them, keep watching. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and in 2016 we visited the UK Drone Show for the first time. It was an absolutely brilliant event. There's drone racing there live. You can stand literally right next to the action. There are loads of vendors, retailers, manufacturers, all showing off the latest and greatest from the drone industry. One of the most memorable parts of the show in 2016 for me was seeing the Parrot drones dancing in perfect sequence indoors as well, without GPS support, all via optical flow. Really impressive. This year it's on the 1st and 2nd of December. It's a Saturday and a Sunday, so ideal. Plus Birmingham's a really easily accessible location to get to. So to win a pair of tickets to the show, all you need to do is comment on this YouTube video with "I'm coming to the drone show to see," and then enter whatever you are most excited about seeing at the show. We will then choose a comment at random, and that winner will get a pair of free tickets to the drone show, where you'll also get to meet us. And we'll be there with Andy RC and also some of the guys from Let's Drone Out.
Hey everybody, this is Andy RC, and this is just a quick message to say that on Saturday the 1st of December I will be attending the UK Drone Show, and thanks to Ash from DroningON, he is giving away a free ticket, so good luck to everybody and I will see you there.
Be sure to go and see our video from 2016, the highlights of the show, including that incredible parrot drone dancing, and be sure to give the video a thumbs up and share. Finally, if you're not a subscriber, click that button now. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you there.